Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable Windows 11 missing high performance power plan. So click on start. Now here search CMD, run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here type this command line power cfg space dash duplicate scheme, then this code. I will give this code in description, so copy and paste here, then press enter. Now guys, once you did this command successfully, close it and restart. So this is the way guys to enable high performance. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.